So welcome, I'm going to show you how to add a resource to Schoology either directly from the Google Docs suite. So for example, Google Slides, whatever's in your Google Docs can be added directly to Schoology. And I'll also probably show you how to do that from your OneDrive, your Microsoft Office Online as well. First, I need to go to a course. So I'm going to go ahead to a course. And all we do is go to add materials. And from here, we're going to choose import from resources, which is weird because you're like looking for where's Google Suite, where's whatever. Nope, it's import from resources. And then when you're on the resources page, and I'm not sure how connected mine are right now. These are my Schoology resources. And I'm hoping this is not connected to the place I need them at all because I'm going to go to apps. You don't want to go to personal because this is something you would have uploaded to Schoology from your computer or whatever. So I'm going to go to apps, which is also weird. So that's two weird things you got to worry about. Now here are my Google Drive resources right there. And there's all the stuff that's in my Google Drive. So if you had a slideshow, it would be sitting here in your Google Drive. And then you would just press that slideshow and you would say import, import file, and you're good. The kids should all have access to that slideshow. Import link, import private link. I believe what import link does, and you may have to test this a little bit, import link will send them to your actual, a copy of your actual one, like if you wanted them all to write on it. Whereas import file will give them a copy that they could see or look at or follow along with in their own. So those have two different functionalities there. So the same thing is true if you go to Microsoft Online OneDrive resources. Now I'm going there and it's letting me in. If you go to Google Drive resources, there could be another step. For example, I'm going to go to Microsoft OneDrive and it's telling me to authorize. You might have a step that requires you to authorize the Google as well. All authorizing either one of these is going to do is it connects my Schoology to my to the other account, to the online documents account. So whatever it says, authorize, go through that process. Like this is taking me to a sign in and all this stuff. Just go ahead and do that. And then you won't have to do that next time. You'll just go to add materials, just like you would for anything. You're going to go import from resources, and you're going to go to apps, because it's the apps that connects your Google Drive to your Microsoft OneDrive and all those things. And that's how you do it. And then that'll show up right there in the materials section of the course, like any other resource would.